Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again today. In this time, the people are literally facing challenges for learning vocabulary. The vocabulary is a really important part, especially for the conversation. So why people literally stucking and they are literally challenging for to using the active sentence, the active vocabulary in their conversation. So there are some habits you need to cultivate first. Then you will start to develop your learning vocabulary. So vocabulary playing the really crucial role in order to communicate with the people. So what kind of things you need to do where you should not to stuck, you need not to hesitate, and you will start to communicate with your people very fluently. So here's some basic ad. You need to this kind of habits. First, you need to go with the reading. So reading is really important. And why? The vocabulary is always come from the reading. So when you read, so any kind of book should be in a context. Okay, every story, every book is always on the context. You need to understand that context, and that's why you need to find out the meaning of that word. So that's why the vocabulary become a really important and that story. So what you can do, you will start to use a dictionary. So dictionary will gonna help you a lot, and that's why you will start to develop your language very easily. Because when you are finding the meanings, when you are actually habitual of learning any kind of language, automatically you can see some changes in your life. The second one, you can go with the movies or any kind of movies or Netflix, any kind of content which can you can find on the social media platforms. They will gonna help you a lot. So what kind of thing you need to step in where you can get to know about a new vocabulary. So vocabulary, always find there are the several resources, there are the several platforms is available. You just need to find out that kind of resources and just try to utilize and learn from them. So vocabulary is not just for learning methods, but when you have a bunch of vocabularies, then you can create a plenty of sentences, and you can get a chance to approach a good communicator, and you can see yourself as a really articulate your speech, and you will give the chance to stay, enhance your daring of stage, and you can start to speak with the people. So it's really easy. You just need to find out your own inner strength and just try to speak out the word. And you need to create your own vocabulary bank which is written in your own hand. It will definitely gonna help you a lot to develop